Hey guys, I have a really cool hack to show you how to auto-generate an email response. It's basically a summary of the treatment session that will be auto-generated by HippoScribe within the documentation output, but it won't auto-integrate directly into your EMR because I want to send this through either an email portal that's HIPAA compliant or some other HIPAA compliant messaging system. Let me show you how this works using HippoScribe and HelloNote. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here in HippoScribe. I'm going to go to templates. I'm going to look for the template that I want to modify. And let's just do the Hello Note daily note by default. I'm going to go into that. I am going to click on the three little dots to the right and create a duplicate of that. Now let's go back out. Let's scroll down and you can see here we've got default copy. So what we're going to do is we're going to click edit. We're going to come into this. We're going to change the name first. We're going to leave that and I'm going to add email. So I know that this is the one that has the email component. We've got the required elements, the basic, subjective, objective assessment plan. But then what I'm going to do is add a new section, click the three dots, go to edit. I'm going to type in email and I'm going to come down here. Please write a narrative email that summarizes today's achievements for my client, include positive language to help my client feel motivated, include the plan for our next physical therapy treatment. And then what we'll do is we'll come down here, we'll say paragraph, email format. I'm going to save. I'm going to save the template. I'm going to hit back. Now what we'll do is we'll go into HelloNote. We'll go into patients. I'm going to go down here to James Doe. I'm going to click on notes. I believe I have a treatment note for this in this training account. Remember, this is all just training information. None of this is real information. I want to view my note list, daily note, actions. I'm going to go to view. Actually, you know what? Let's do this. Let's create a new note so I can show you the full integration. So what I'll do is I'll go back, give it a second. I'm going to come down here, view note list, new note. Here, I'm going to delete this one, delete the existing note. Okay, new note, add a daily note. I'm going to open HippoScribe. I'm going to come into sessions. This is a fake session note that I created. This was the original one, but the one that I want is the one that has email included. So I'm going to regenerate my documentation. This is regenerating to the new template. I am kind of figuring this stuff out just like you guys, but as I get new ideas, I try to share them with you. So this is what we've got. Subject, summary of today's achievements and plan for next session. Dear client, I want to take a moment to acknowledge the significant progress you made during our session today, your range of motion. Now, we could obviously tell it to use the name, but range of motion in the left knee improved, 127 active, 130 passive. Your knee extension is now at full capacity. The girth indicates balanced edema in both knees. It's noteworthy that your pain rating decreased to 5 out of 10. Visual assessment showed only moderate swelling. So it's pulling this straight from the treatment. Your improved ability to perform single leg balance over 10 seconds, walk on an uneven surface without losing balance is a testament to your hard work and dedication. This marks a significant improvement since the beginning of your treatment. Looking ahead, we will continue to focus on your progress during the next physical therapy session scheduled for May 24th. Please remember to follow your updated home exercise program twice daily. Additionally, you have a follow-up appointment with the physician on May 29th. Now, I said all of that in the narrative, and it's just extracting that information. Keep up the great work. Best regards, and then my name. So the way something like this would work is I would click sync to EHR, give it just a second. Now, if we want to confirm, so patient reports escalated knee pain. If I come down here, subjective complaint, patient reports escalated knee pain. Objective, patient arrived reporting increased pain in left knee due to increased activity. And then we look here, objective, patient arrived reporting pain in left knee due to increased activity. So it translates the information from HippoScribe into the EHR, but then it also generates that email that I could then just copy and paste and put it directly into whatever either email or messaging system you have that's HIPAA compliant. So this is where I could just hit copy, and then I throw it into the system so that in seconds, I'm done. I've got an email ready to go, and I just ship it out. I'm going to be using this, testing this over the next week or two. I will keep you guys up to date on how it's going, but this has always been one of my desires, is to be able to auto-generate kind of a summary so that the client doesn't have to log in through the portal to the EMR and try to read all of the gibberish that is in the full documentation. I want them to just have a short, sweet, concise email.